Hey everyone, so this is where I'm at with the no-name national truck. Right now I got the front seats out and I'm pushing the harness through the firewall, and I'm just going to put the computer somewhere's down here. I wanted to mount it in the glove compartment, but I don't know if I have enough wire for that. So as far as everything else goes, I mean that's no big progress, but I am making some progress. The pulley system works good. I gotta get the serpentine belt on it. I gotta get a rear annulus for the transmission because I got a trans brake in it. The annulus is just a little bit worn, and let me just go over here. This right here, I don't know if you guys can see that. I was just listening to Bucks Live. Guys, bear with me. I know I need a new phone because the other camera doesn't work on this phone. And now trying to look at the front screen and take video and line everything up. It's terrible. I don't wish that on my worst enemy. I don't have enemies. Well, I don't think I do. So if you see the wear in there, it's just a little. When you go to slide this on the shaft there, it kind of rattles around. So I'm gonna replace it. I don't know if I can get one, a used one, a decent used one from a 48. I also saw that it was kind of worn in the back, right here. And, you know, that would have been fine. But since I'm going to be putting a little more pressure on this transmission, I got it apart again, so I figured might as well. And that's it. So today, JB is hopefully going to get his trash truck started, and I'll be seriously looking forward to that. That's going to be awesome. And right now I'm just catching up on Bucks Live. It was like 5 hours long. It's great. I'm about 2.5 hours into it. All right, next time.